Introduction to Data Visualization. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel, Data Drivers. Today, we are going to talk about how data and data visualization are shaping the way we do business. Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon and Netflix are able to recommend products and shows that you love? The answer lies in data. These companies collect data on their users' browsing and purchasing habits and then use that data to make personalized recommendations. But all that data can be overwhelming. This is where data visualization comes in. By turning all that data into visual representations like charts and graphs, it becomes much easier to understand and make decisions based on it. For example, a retail company can use data visualization to understand sales patterns, identify best-selling products, and make informed decisions on inventory and marketing strategies. In today's data-driven world, the ability to collect, analyze and visualize data is a crucial skill for professionals and businesses. So, whether you are a business analyst, a marketer, or just someone who wants to better understand the world around you, the power of data visualization can help you make sense of it all. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video on Tableau.